Yo guys, what's up? It's Bjorn to be wild. For the people who haven't been having troubles to get their character on a normal weight again and not being able to fix it, I got a solution for you, and I hope it helps. So yeah guys, the thing you do, you buy some meat. You might buy any meat you can get. And yeah, you can also get some crackers or something, and then you head to your camp, or eat the crackers. So okay guys, you're at your camp, you got your pork, your meat, or whatever. You cook some meat. Easy, just cooking and eating, and lekker. Okay, you can stew it or eat it, doesn't matter. It's if you stew it, and then you can eat it later, but you just eat it. Okay. And what then? The thing is that you do. So then you go whatever town is near your camp, and you go to the fast travel thingy, and that's where the magic happens, and that's where you're gonna fix your underweight problem. So okay guys, and this is where the magic happens, and this is how you actually fix it. So you have the fast travel, you can eat some crackers, or at your camp, meat is always the best thing, and you just eat some and then go to the fast travel option. Then let's say you go to camp, perfect, so you can eat again. And the traveling makes you actually gain weight, because binge eating doesn't work. So you see, now I was underweight. I will show you my player. Strapping up. Weight average. So okay, it's fixed. You can have it at perfect also, and overweight, but this is how you keep it. And through the fast travel, you actually gain the weight again. Thanks for watching. More Reddead Online on my Instagram and on my channel. For more videos, leave a comment or anything you want to see, and don't forget to push that subscribe button or like button. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope it helped.